Hi, I'm Dixon Wright, an alumni of California State University, Chico, and we've been working with the AGC of America to develop AGC XML and interoperability, and have been now working with XBRL US to take the financial statement reporting to the Securities Exchange Commission a step further and bring it into an extension for construction, energy, and transportation, so that XBRL can be something beyond corporate financials.
Hi, I'm Fuad Rahman. I'm the founder and CEO of Apurva Technologies. We've been working with Dixon with this project where what we have done is we have taken the traditional XBRL taxonomy, which is originally designed for the financial sector, onto beyond compliance.
This taxonomy now allows for the next green button data set that allows programmers to actually design new applications, data by design, for the Department of Energy.
We're making use of a proposed taxonomy we call XBRL CET. The taxonomy in the prototype format is given here, and if you click on this link, then you can actually download the taxonomy in Excel format. For the entire proposed taxonomy that we're working on, you can click on the second link. So in this tab, we show the different projects. You can also go to the dashboard, which basically shows all this information in a visual way. So in the green button tab, we actually load up the green button data. It's possible that we can go to a specific day and the month of June, and I can just say submit, and the data will load up first and the corresponding visualization will show up. If I click on the weather tab, then we get some weather data loading up here. We are looking at some thunderstorm activity and some snowstorm activity. So now we go to the analytics tab, and if I click on that, we're going to get the basic analytics data pulled out from different sources. Let's go to the monthly tab, and if I look at the first project, you see there are 4 projects in that time scope. If I move my mouse on top of it, it shows the information related to the project. As you notice, there is actually a color that shows the severity. Also, the size of the circle depends on how badly a project is actually performing. We can actually now pull data from other sources, for example, the weather data, thunderstorm activity, and we can actually superimpose that just like this, like we did before. It's possible for us to pull all the data and then analyze how projects are actually performing, and we can only do this because we're using an interoperable data format, XBRL format, using the CET taxonomy that we talked about before.